So we've had your test results back from the lab, and we've sat down, my team and I, and reviewed them. And I'm sorry to have to tell you that it's not good news. It is cancer. What we're going to do now, treatment of this type,
start you on an
intensive course of chemotherapy. You will need to explain all the potential side effects. In the meantime, do you have any questions?
I don't think so.
Everyone has a purpose in life. I found mine to say to the world there must be a cure that will find.
Once upon a time, somebody ran away, saying fast as I can.